to a counter that is declining in trade as a top nifty loser, that's Titan. Ravinder, you picked out quarter one updates come in for Titan. The D Street has clearly given it a thumbs down. Take us through the numbers then.
Well, as Titan has announced their Q1 FY26 number, and for the consumer business, Titan growth was in Q1 was 20% year-on-year basis, and company added 10 new stores in Q1. And with this, the total consumer business stores stand at 3,322. And if we talk about domestic business, then domestic business saw a growth of 19% on a yearly basis and added 9 new stores in Q1. And with this, the total stores stand at 3,291. Now coming to jewelry segment, then the jewelry segment saw an overall growth of 18% on a year-on-year basis, but disappointing revenue growth. Revenue growth for jewelry business was disappointing, and LTL growth for Tanishq, Mia, Zoya is in low double digit. An increase in gold price led to softness in the consumer purchases. And if we talk about watches and eye care segment, then watches segment saw a growth of 23% on a year-on-year basis, and eye care segment saw a growth of 12% on a year-on-year basis. And Macquarie has come out with their note, and they have maintained their outperform rating with target price of rupees 4,150. So on back of the weak jewelry segment growth, stock is under pressure, and the stock is down more than 5.5%.
Well, thank you very much, Ravinder, for the information on Titan. But let's focus on Cummins India. The stock itself, for the last 4 sessions, the volumes have been picking up. The stock up almost 4%. What are your views on Cummins India, Osho?
See, this counter, as you mentioned, that has been gaining a strong traction from last couple of trading weeks. So I expect that this should continue. On the technical front, this counter has seen major developments. There has been positive crossovers among key moving averages. And also on the technical front, there has been very positive aligned with the momentum in the counter. So I expect that with the kind of a movement and the breakout that has been seen in Cummins India, I expect that on immediate term basis, 3600, 3650 is the next potential target that one can expect from short-term perspective. While on the lower end, now it has formed a very strong base or a support zone near the zone of 3300. So 3300 should be acting as a very strong support, while on the higher end, 3650 should be the next target for short-term traders.
Alright, so that's Cummins India on the charts, the technical view coming in. But coming to you for the fundamental views, the news flow coming in Adani Power. Now that stock was up in a way 3%, has given up those morning gains, but nonetheless, a strong news flow coming in. Kanishka, take us through that.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.